Welcome again to my crypto channel, where I talk about the latest DeFi projects to earn passive income with. The new website for the animal farm is up, and it looks amazing. The dog pound and the farms and pools will relaunch on October the 18th, so until then, you cannot use them. This dashboard is looking so much better than the previous versions. I love the lighter theme and all the links are placed at the top, so I get instant access to all the different options fast. If you are familiar with the old website, then you know all about the different tools, like the pig pen, the drip garden, the piggy bank and the farms and pools. If you have never heard about the animal farm, I recommend you to go check out my other video on how to make the most out of the ecosystem. I will drop the link below. The animal farm is unique, because unlike other platforms, the contract does not rely on its users who need to sell the native crypto token to make money, which lowers the value of the token and leads to people losing interest in the token. The animal farm is built to increase the value of the native token, and also to support the price of drip. It all works perfectly together. This platform is more sustainable than other DeFi applications where the developers are taking all the money and the contract is slowly drained, leaving its users with a bag of worthless coins. Forex doesn't need more money. He is already rich. His dream was to build a decentralized smart protocol that rewards its users, and not the developers. To use the new website, you need to connect your Metamask wallet to it first, or it won't work. Let's start with the pig pen. As far as I am concerned, this is the most important tool in the animal farm. My personal strategy is to deposit as many pig tokens as possible in the pig pen to earn BUSD. Pigs are the governance token of the animal farm ecosystem, and if you own pigs, you automatically become a shareholder of the farm. In other words, when someone makes a transaction on the platform, be it a deposit, swapping tokens for pigs or dogs or claiming their rewards, they pay a small fee which goes right into a tax pool. All the shareholders receive a percentage of the fees in this pool, depending on how many pigs you own. The pigpen pays out the highest BUSD dividend in the world. The BUSD dividend is generated from 1/3 of all taxes paid on pigs transactions, 75% of all deposit and withdrawal fees, and 30% of yield generated through the rehypothecation lending on PancakeSwap. Pigs staked in the pigpen also earn pigs generated from all piggy bank fees. It's brilliant. At the top of the page you can see the stats. How many pigs are in the contract, the total value locked, the amount of BUSD and pigs that are in the vault, etc. And shortly after the farm goes live, there will be an auto-compounding protocol added for the pigpen. The auto-compounder will take the BUSD that you have earned in the pigpen, buy pigs with it and stake it for you back in the pigpen. The piggy bank is where you stake your pigs and BUSD, and earn up to 3% per day. If you deposit your LP tokens in the piggy bank, you get piglets, which earn you truffles. You can put a time lock on your stake and get bonus piglets. The payout is based on your rate of compounding and the lockup period. The piggy bank works similar to the drip garden, where you pair drip with BUSD and earn plants and seeds instead of piglets and truffles. You can choose to sell or compound your truffles to earn more piglets, and make even more LP tokens in the end. The dog pound isn't active right now, but this will also show all the metrics and explain how you can earn BNB dividends once it's live. The auto dog pound will put your earned BNB to work by pairing it with dogs and staking it into the dog's BNB farm, earning you compound interest in both BNB and pigs tokens. As an added bonus, your dog's transaction tax will be reduced 25% faster in the auto dog pound at 1% a day. The farms are another section in the protocol where you pair dogs or drip with BUSD or BNB to create LP tokens and earn a high yield. There are many different tokens that you can pair and earn dogs and pigs with, so the choice is yours. There's a new calculator tool at the top of the site that will show you how much money you have earned and what you can expect to earn in the future. That's a cool thing to keep track of your investment. The pools are where you put your single tokens, like dogs, BUSD, Ethereum, Cake, BTC or BNB to generate pigs or dogs tokens. If the farm is live, you will see all the APR rewards for every token. There's also an earnings tracker that will show you how much money you are making right now, and how much you can expect to earn in the future. To create pigs BUSD LP tokens, you need to use the liquidity link. This works like PancakeSwap. Enter the amount for every token that you want to deposit, set the slippage tolerance, approve the tokens with Metamask, and click the Add Liquidity button to create the LP tokens. The Drip Liberation link takes you to the Old Animal Farm website. This is the place where you can create Drip and BUSD LP tokens to put in the Drip Garden. I don't know if the Drip Liberation page will be implemented in the new dashboard, as Forex didn't talk about it in his recent AMA. I will keep you informed in my Telegram group if there are any plans for this. The swap page is where you can swap any crypto for pigs tokens and eventually dogs tokens. The price of pigs has been going up since the new Animal Farm website has been launched, and I expect the price of pigs to shoot up when everything is working again. And finally we have the Drip Garden. I have been compounding like crazy in the garden, and now I have over 1 million plants. To see how much money I'm making in the garden, I use the Drip Formulate site. I have a paid subscription, and it shows me how many plants and LP tokens I generate and much more details. It's a very handy website that I highly recommend if you are into the Drip Garden or Drip Network. The new Animal Farm website looks amazing and I'm really excited about all the new stuff that's coming after the relaunch. If you want to read more details about the Animal Farm mechanics, you can check out the brand new Wiki page that was released a few days ago. Forex said that the new Drip website will likely be finished before the Animal Farm launch, but it will be released a week or so after the launch. Forex doesn't like launching too many things at once. I will let you know as soon as the new Drip site is live in my Crypto Miners Telegram group, so be sure to join my Telegram. The link is below. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only show you what I do, and I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before you put in your money in any DeFi project, and never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you have any comments, feel free to drop them below or ask me anything in my Telegram group. If you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button and smash the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. It will help my channel to reach more people and make crypto more popular, which is a good thing for all of us. Have a great day, and stay safe.